Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you doing great. Today's video gonna very helpful if you are struggling to create multiple and bulk post for your Pinterest, especially if you are an affiliate marketer or if you want to grow your business and posting social media post using Instagram, Pinterest and other social media platform. So I already uploaded a video how you can create a bulk post within 5 minutes and 100 Instagram. Not only 100, you can create thousands of Instagram posts. So in this tutorial I will show you how you can create a multiple post, that's mean bulk post for your Pinterest, and it could be any niche. And for this we have to use ChatGPT, and we can use a free version ChatGPT 3.45, and we also use Canva, and it's completely free. So in Canva we have an option bulk creation. So don't worry if you are a new or if you are a beginner, so you can trial for 1 month in Canva and you can access all the premium services from Canva. Alright, so it's a step-by-step tutorials, so don't skip, just follow this step. So if you are a freelancer and you are a graphic designer or Canva designer, and if you want to sell your service, that's mean Pinterest post design service, so this video gonna help you. Or if you are an entrepreneur and if you are starting your business, and social media platform is now a really great tools for any kind of business, for especially small business, because nowadays we can get lots of customer and potential client through social media platform. And lots of giant company, they are spending lots of money for a paid advertisement. Okay, so if you are a affiliate marketer or if you are a business owner and if you want to start free, so this video for you. Okay, so first of all we have to set up our ChatGPT account and Canva account. So both are free, so don't worry about it, just create an account using your Gmail. Okay, and our first step would be what should we provide to our audience. That's mean if you are a affiliate marketer and your niche is suppose like a home decor, so you can find 100,000 tips how to improve your house or home or outdoor indoor. Okay, how to decor your kitchen area. So you can find lots of tips and tricks, and just search on the ChatGPT. Okay, I will show you the way how we can find great tips and tricks. So especially I am going to show you the business tips and tricks, that's mean entrepreneur mindset or motivational speaker and their quotes. Okay, so that's gonna help you a lot of people's, I think so. So first step is you have to write down on ChatGPT. So let's start our first prompt. Alright, so I already wrote it down. Write 100 best short business motivational quotes for women. Okay, so press send message and let's see how it's began. Here we can see 100 best short business motivational quotes for women. Certainly, here are 100 short business motivational quotes for women. Here you can see it's continuing. Alright, 70, 74, 5, 6. Wow, that's amazing. So ChatGPT is a evolution for marketer, I think so, because if I think and if I search, so it takes lots of time to do this kind of articles or this kind of quotes or content, but just within few seconds I am just getting hundreds of quotes or business quotes. Alright, so we have done 100 short quotes, and this is our first step. And our second step would be we have to create a Google spreadsheet where we can input all the information. Okay, and we have to give a name. Alright, so let's give a name, write 100 best. So we can copy it here and we can give a untitled name, and here you can see the first should be title, and the column should be text. Okay, so let's grab the our title and text. And what should be the title? It's really important. And first, so that should be our title, paste it here. And it should be business motivational quotes for women. All right, so let's copy all the quotes. That's mean we have 100 of quotes, all the quotes here, and just paste it here. All right, so we have text and quote. So our third step should be create a Canva post, and we must search a Pinterest. So here you can see Pinterest pin 1000 into 1500. So click on that and you will get lots of templates, so you can use any of them. Alright, so let's select this 9 powerful tools. So I will customize this one, but I think it's pretty okay. Okay, so let's customize this template. So third step is all about Canva, because you have to select a good template which is really good fit for our niche. That's mean we are providing information, motivational quote to one business woman. So it should be good if a woman picture is over there. Alright, so here you can see 3 text, that's mean 3 layer. So we'll remove the last one because we don't need this, and the first one we can grab and move it up, this one, and let's select our business motivational quotes for women. We can paste it here and let's see. Perfect, this should be our title and it should be our quote and it should be text, and it's similar to this B column. Okay, because following this text, that's why. Okay, so business motivational quotes for women and text should be appear here. We can up it there, no problem. Alright, so we can also change the background color. Okay, so we can give it a solid. So we have changed the background color. So we don't need title. Okay, we don't need title because we have to just input this text and it will be changed. Okay, and this will be constant, so that's why we don't need it. So just we have to download this. That means as a CSV file we have to download this file and go back to our Canva, create one app section, click on app section, and here you can see the bulk create. Click on bulk create, upload CSV file. So we have already downloaded our CSV file, 100 best short motivational quote for women business quotes. So let's click on this and here you can see, so it will be uploaded here. Here you can see, so we have to set up a connection between text and this text because this text will be changed. So connect text, perfect. Click on continue. Here you can see 100 quotes over there, and when I click generate 100 designs, it will be automatically designed and it will be create another tab. So let's click on it, create 100 designs. Okay, so it will take few seconds and you will see the design will be appear here. Here you can see our first page, this is our second page, and all the quotes over there. If you want to increase this quotes, so you can. So how you can increase this quote, that's mean the size and other things. So go back to our main thing and click on it, and you can just increase the size, also make it bold. So that's pretty clear. Click on again generate 100 designs and it will create automatically 1000 quotes for you, and here you can see this one is perfect. Okay, embrace. So this is the quote and this is the perfect. You have to collect the ChatGPT content, create a spreadsheet, just make it a good name, and just come back and design your Canva and upload. That's it. Okay, so this is our last one and this is our first one. Okay, so which one is good? Please comment below. So I think we can change this bold. It should be good. So remove the first one. Here you can see this format and this format isn't same, so we can similar this. So how we can do this? So this is the DM Sharif display and this is the Lizard Sans Sharif. So DM Sharif display, click on it, and also you can select. All right, so let's check this out again how it's look like. Okay, so this is how you can design. So this one is perfect. What do you think? Okay, so that's great. So how you can download this as a separate file? So let's download it. So click on download, that's means share, and click on download, and here you can see the transparent background, compress all pages. Okay, all pages, 100 pages. So it will be a zip file, I think so. Alright, so it's downloading. So let's see how it's look like the final output. Oh my god, here you can see 100 images over there. You can customize as much as you can. It's your creativity. So which one do you like? I don't know. So here you can see our first one, this our second one, third one, fourth, fifth. So I think you would love it, and if you love this content, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and comment below if you have any queries. And the next video I will show you how you can create Instagram Reels video, that's means short video, affiliate marketing short video, or any motivational short video. So you will get lots of tutorials, and I hope it's gonna help you very much. So stay tuned, have a good day, tata, bye bye.